Did you know that sometimes the worst betrayals come from the people you trust most? Sarah thought she knew her best friend Emma and her boyfriend Mike, until one dinner changed everything. When Emma left her phone on the table, a text popped up that made Sarah's blood run cold. It was from Mike, talking about their secret meetups and how they couldn't wait to be together again. Sarah sat there pretending to laugh at jokes while her world crumbled inside. 3 years of friendship, 2 years with Mike, all built on lies. Suddenly, everything made sense. The canceled plans, the weird looks between them, Emma always knowing too much about Mike's schedule. That sleepless night, Sarah planned her revenge. She created a group chat with both of them and dropped screenshots of their messages. Their pathetic excuses and blame shifting only proved she made the right choice. She blocked them both without hesitation. Sometimes the trash takes itself out. Know your worth, because real friends would never do this to you. Follow for more life stories and tell me, what would you have done differently?